The biceps, the muscle every guy loves training.
It's as satisfying to me as coming is.
While fitness experts will point out they are one of the smallest muscle groups,
biceps are actually the smallest major muscle group on your entire body.
why are we so obsessed with training them? Because women love them, men respect them, and despite being small, they stand out at all times and make or break your physique. For years, I was trying to crack the code to getting big biceps, but like most, was left spinning my wheels, stuck with pale twigs for arms. Then one late night on the internet, I discovered a scientific study that changed the course of my training forever. The secret to big biceps is a method of training called the balloon method. Use it in every bicep workout and you can leave the gym knowing that you just maximized the only 3 science-backed ways you can build muscle in a short and efficient workout. My bicep transformation speaks for itself. Now it's your turn. Try this workout and don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell for non-stop gains. Today we are pumping iron in the beautiful city of Las Vegas. We're gonna blow up those biceps with a balloon method workout, and this is really what the channel is all about. Outside the box training, science-backed, highly effective. You gotta tell them all the gains I made since you last saw me.
Oh my gosh, I made tremendous gains.
This is gonna be so much different than your typical bicep routine. So we're gonna go to the gym inside the Venetian in Las Vegas, and let's go. All right, you guys asked me on my Instagram what my favorite bicep exercise is. I'm gonna show it to you right now. It's actually a superset, and it all starts off with some strict wall curls. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab the bar, shoulder width apart. Now this is the most important part. You're gonna walk away from the wall a little bit. You're gonna put your head against the wall, your butt's against the wall, and your upper back is against the wall. So these are strict curls right here. You wanna pick a weight that you can fail at right around 10, 12 reps. And then what you're gonna do after you do 10 reps right here, you're gonna step away from the wall and you're gonna do cheat curls. You're gonna actually use momentum for another 10 reps. Bicep training does not mean shit if you do not get your nutrition right. Pre-workout meal suggestions are pair an easy to digest carbohydrate source with protein. You want to fill up that muscle glycogen and get the maximum muscle pump. So I love jasmine rice with eggs or chicken thighs, or the same protein combination with red skin potatoes or sweet potatoes. Feel free to throw in your favorite dipping sauce, and make sure you watch until the end to see why I recommend eating gummy bears post-workout. So these are called pause curls, and when you're doing a bicep exercise, you probably never realize this. If you're doing like curls like this, there's a point of the rep where the bicep is in a state of a peak contraction. So we're gonna take that and we're gonna run with it on this exercise. We're gonna do some pause reps. So what you're gonna do here is the point of a peak contraction on the curl, right around here. When you're all the way up here, it's running into your delt. When you're all the way down here, it's not the same as if you're right here. So what you're gonna do is in a supinated grip, you're gonna curl both at the same time, and you're gonna go one arm at a time, and you're gonna hold the other arm in a state where it's forced to be in a peak contraction state the entire time while it's resting. So we're gonna curl, giveaway time. I want to hook you guys up with some free gains. Make sure you follow me on Instagram because I announce all giveaway channels from my YouTube channel on the IG. So to enter today's giveaway, tap the notification bell and comment down below one other YouTuber that you watch videos from. I'll select one lucky winner in the first 8 hours of this video being live to win all of my training programs. All right, now we're gonna do some pinwheel curls. And we're gonna do a drop set. Remember, the balloon method means we're always applying intensity techniques. And this one right here, doing a drop set is killer. So I recommend on the drop set, drop the weight about 30 to 40%. Now, pinwheel curls are really gonna force our brachialis and the short head to work. So on this move right here, what you're gonna do, you're gonna rest the dumbbells comfortably right here. And you're gonna just curl right to the opposite pec. So right to the mid pec, you're gonna stop. You don't need to go all the way up here. That's gonna be all into your deltoid. Stop right here. So we're going 10 reps, 10 each arm. Immediately after that, I'm gonna grab these. I'm gonna rep up more. 10 more reps with the lighter weight. Post-workout nutrition hack to speed up those muscle gains. I recommend you eat about 50 grams of carbohydrates in the form of gummy bears or any high glycemic carbohydrate. I just say gummy bears because they taste amazing, and who the hell does not love gummy bears? And you pair it with a fast digesting protein source. I recommend Superhuman Protein because it is a 100% whey protein isolate, which means it's lactose free. It's the highest quality form of amino acids, so that's gonna maximize muscle protein synthesis. It's gonna maximize insulin, which is highly anabolic. So if you have a stubborn muscle group, I highly recommend the balloon method because it's gonna maximize the only 3 science-backed ways that you can build muscle in a very short and efficient workout. I'm technically on vacation right now. It's my fiance's birthday. We're staying at the Venetian. So I got in a 15-minute workout. That's all you need to grow a stubborn muscle group. And you gotta pair that with science-backed supplements. Now, diet and training is of course 80% of your results, but there are so many ineffective and not clinically dosed supplements on the market that I wanted to hook you guys up with an incredible discount code from my company, elflion.com, so you can speed up those fitness goals. So all you gotta do is head to elflion.com or tap the link down in the description below and use the code TROY20. Now, I recommend our Superhuman pre-workout, which is going to help you train longer and harder. It is hands down one of the best pre-workouts on the market, and pair it with Superhuman Protein and Superhuman Sleep to speed up that recovery. So all of our supplements are clinically dosed, and they're gonna help you guys speed up those fitness goals. So simply head to elflion.com, use Troy20, and if you wanna stay right here on YouTube, I'm gonna link over here to an entire playlist of every single balloon method workout. I will link over here to a video the YouTube algorithm recommends, and I will see you guys.
No gains, you ain't lift no weights.